Let's perform a quick test of fingerprint sensor. We're gonna see how fast the fingerprint sensor is on POCO F8 Pro. So we're gonna start with the lock screen. I've scanned my thumb in order to see how fast the fingerprint sensor is. And there we go. As you can see, even a slight gentle tap can unlock the phone. I don't even have to hold my finger on the sensor in order to unlock the smartphone. This is of course due to the fact that we have the ultrasonic display fingerprint sensor, which is really rapid and it immediately recognizes the fingerprint that I scanned, of course. So the lock screen works really fast. But what about always on display? So if we have always on a display, we still can see the sensor, of course. And as you can see, there's pretty much no difference. It is just as fast as the lock screen. Of course, you still might have some slight troubles if you just misplace your finger. You still have to position your finger quite correctly, but even like minor inconvenience might not be an issue for the sensor to actually recognize your finger. So yeah, it unlocks really fast. So what about the fingerprint sensor when the phone is completely off? So let's check that out. I'm gonna actually turn off always on the display just to see if the phone can still recognize the finger and how long does it take to unlock it. So usually you have to wait like a couple of seconds because for the first couple of seconds after locking the phone we can still see the sensor, but right now it is not visible. And as you can see, I just quickly tapped and it still recognizes the finger. I'm gonna give it another try, maybe a couple of more. There we go. I don't have to hold my finger at all, even when the screen is completely off. This is a really good fingerprint sensor. Honestly, one of the fastest ones, definitely. Well, this time I wasn't so lucky. I guess I misplaced my finger. So let's give it another try. There we go. Just a quick tap and it works just fine. It recognizes the fingerprint. So yeah, nothing to complain about really. It's definitely impressive how good the fingerprint sensor is in this case, but this is generally how good ultrasonic fingerprint sensors are. Still, really good job, and I'm really happy that the sensor is working so well even if the phone is completely off. Sometimes, in some cases, we have to hold our finger even longer in order to unlock the phone when the screen is completely off, but not in this case. In this case, it's just pretty much as fast as on the lock screen. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.